Hi everyone, my name is Syed Mohammed Shah, and for my 15-112 final project, I'm implementing a ludo game. So basically, a ludo game has up to a maximum of 4 players, which each player starting out with 4 characters. Each character of each player is able to move around the board, complete a revolution, one complete revolution, and then go find a specific position, and reach their home base, and then exit the game. So when all 4 characters of a player exit the game, that player wins. So basically, this is the start screen of my game, with options: start new game, instructions, load game, and quit. Let's open up the instructions. So basically, this gives you the instructions how to play Ludo, which I've already described to you, and will keep on updating you about how to play Ludo as we go along. So yeah, let's start the game, shall we? Okay, so I'm not doing a graphical interface. I'm implementing the game, but I am implementing the game logic. So this is like the essence of my game right now. This list, I call this the main list. Basically, this represents this. Sorry, I didn't open it before. This represents this board. So each index in the main list is a square on the board. So all the squares that are like in the board are represented by the indices of the list, except the squares of the home bases, which are these, and the squares of the homes, which are these. Which for these I've made separate lists, which we're going to see shortly. Okay, so the players basically move around. When they move around, what I mean by that is that their position in the list is being updated, and when their position in the list is being updated, the main list, that means their position in the board is being updated. So basically, just try to visualize that as the position is updated inside the main list, the character is moving around the board. So for each player, I've picked prime numbers. For player 1, which is red, I've picked the number 13. Blue, which is player 2, 17. Yellow, 19. And player 4, which is green, 23. And so all 4 characters, you'll see now. You may ask that if like each player has 4 characters, there may be like 4 13s. So because each player has 4 characters, but I'm able to give each character of each player a distinct and different index in the main list and a different position inside the main list. I'm able to do that. Okay, so let's play the game. I'll just pick 2 players over here. Player 1 is red, player 2 is green. Let's pick next. Let's play. And so now I won't be able to take my character out unless I get a 6. I won't be able to get it out from the home. So obviously I cannot move my character. So I'm going to pause the video to see if I can get a 6. Great. So 13 is able to get a 6 and a 4. Now the thing is asking me to which one do I want to move with the 6. So let's say I want to move my first character with a 6. So I'll take that out of the home. Now since only that one is out of the home, I can only move that one inside the main list. Okay, so I've moved it, and as you can see here, its position in the main list is updated. So as you can see, just like this, the characters positions are updated in the main list, and they move along, and basically that means the position in the Ludo board is being updated. And one other thing, if one character of a different player steps on another character of a different player, then the character that is stepped on has to go back to its home and start all over again. So now I'll try to send the players to their bases to see how the game ends, and I'll show you that they're able to exit the main list when they complete a whole revolution. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this properly, but like 17 has now moved into its base and has completed its revolution.